Hey guys, wanna know how to add partners on OkCupid? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, you need to make sure that unlike Facebook or other dating apps, with direct friend requests, OkCupid doesn't allow you to manually add a partner. So there is no add partner button, but instead you discover potential matches by swiping. So just simply open up the app, go to Discover or Matches tab, and right here, just simply swipe right or swipe left. Swipe right to match and swipe left to unmatch. And by swiping right, you will be successfully adding partners. And that's it. You cannot directly add anyone on OkCupid, but you can do it manually by swiping. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.